Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make waffles. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready to go. This includes your dry components like all-purpose flour, baking powder, and a little salt. For your wet ingredients, you'll need eggs, milk, some melted butter, and a touch of sugar. Having everything measured and prepared makes the entire process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's mix our batter. In a large bowl, thoroughly combine all your dry ingredients, making sure they are well distributed. In a separate bowl, whisk together your wet ingredients until they are smoothly blended. Then, gently pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Fold them together just until combined. Remember, overmixing can lead to tough waffles, and we want them light and fluffy. It's time to cook. Start by preheating your waffle iron to its recommended temperature setting. Once hot, lightly grease the plates to prevent sticking and ensure your waffles release easily. For most standard waffle irons, pour about 1/2 cup of batter into the center of each section. Close the lid and cook until golden brown and crispy, usually for 3 to 5 minutes. Your delicious homemade waffles are ready. Serve them immediately while they're warm and crispy. You can top them with anything you like, from classic maple syrup and fresh berries to a dollop of whipped cream or even chocolate chips. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice air fresheners and other great deals to keep your car smelling fantastic. Enjoy your amazing breakfast.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.